welcome back to my channel Sparkle with Madhushri. Today I will be showing you some graphic eye designs because Durga Puja is coming and we all know that how much especially all the Bengali girls are excited for Durga Puja. So here it goes. Today I will be showing you how to do graphic eye designs as I have done in one right now. Another one will be showing in the video. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Graphic eye designs are something which we all girls dream of because like most of us will be thinking that isko laga ke kahan pe bahar ja sakte, but to be really honest, the two designs which I have shown in today's video, you can actually apply them and go outside and you will get compliments, of course, because it is quite creative. So let me tell you this thing very clearly, that if you haven't seen how to make a winged eyeliner, you better see that first on my YouTube channel and then go and get this eye look. So I hope that this will be implemented by all the girls who are watching this video and you will definitely enjoy it watching it. So the products being used for making this look complete, for the face, for the eyes, will be given in the description box below, so you can check it out. And if you have come this long way to watch this video, do give it a thumbs up, because it actually takes a lot of effort, to make you girls also look lovely, to make myself also look lovely. I know you all might be thinking that it's not that looking good, but trust me, you can try these looks with black color eyeliner also if you have, which we all have nowadays. So yeah, बहुत चपर चपर कर लिया मैंने, and let's begin with the new video. As you can see that I have already applied foundation over my face and have concealed my eyes using a concealer. So I will be moving ahead with the Lakme Insta Liner in the shade Royal Blue and will be making a false wing. Now what is a false wing? We will check it out now. How to make a false wing? First, we need to make a line which will connect it to the end of our eyebrows from the upper eyelid, and followed by the making of the triangle such that it covers up my outer corner of my eye, as you can see over here. Can you see that I made a triangle such that the outer corner of my eye is covered now, and it will be covered in the end of this tutorial, as you can see. Now I'll be carefully making a line such that just below the lower lash line, just little bit as per my eye shape. So you need to adjust and make it in that way. So I will be carefully making a line just below my lower lash line. So let me clear this out, that I won't be applying my Insta liner on my lower lash line, as it is very bad to apply eyeliner over your lash line. So I will be avoiding to all my viewers as well that you should not apply liner like that in your lash lines. Now I will be making a very 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 thin line connecting my upper eyelid's wing, so that it gives a good look and it gives a nice finish, or else it will look incomplete, of course. Just a very thin line, you can say that it won't be visible also in that way. And now I will be extending it from the inner corner of my eye very carefully. We'll be using the iconic Kajal in shade again Royal Blue, of course. So this one I had been using for around 1 year now, and it is a retractable one. It is a very nice kajal. I am completely obsessed with this kajal, as you can see, and will be carefully applying it to my lower lash line, as you can see over here that I am applying it in a lower lash line. And yes, my eyes always get teared up whenever I apply kajal, so it is very obvious thing, but I hope that it won't happen with the other girls, because I have very sensitive eyes. I have very very sensitive eyes, so yeah. And see that it completely gives that complete Deepika's look. And now we'll be finishing it off. As I had said, I completely covered my wing with the same liner. I'm giving it a nice finish and my eyes are ready. You can see that how beautiful it has come out. So once again I have concealed my eyes using a concealer. Will be moving with the Lakme Insta Liner in the shade Royal Blue. I will be making a slant line from the outer corner of my eye till the end of my eyebrow, and by keeping my eyes wide open I will be making a slant triangle such that it surpasses through the crease of my eye as well. How to draw that? Please watch this step. This process of eyeliner, applying eyeliner, can be used by those who have hooded eyes. So then we will be moving ahead with making a very thick and a neat line. As usual, we all make for our eyeliner over our eyes. So this is something very common but yet a very tough one, I can say. And if you are new to this channel and watching my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as I show from the ignored topics till something which are very quirky and easy enough to be done. As you can see, I have drawn the line neatly. Now I will be making an angle, I can say, or something like extending the other outer line, as you can see, which had touched the crease, and we'll be making a line which will go till half portion of my eyelid. It has been made such that it remains hidden, but once you close your eyelids, you will get that graphic design which you desire to make. So draw another line from the inner eyelid where that line extended out, such that it forms a scalene triangle, as you can see over there. Now we are going to fill that scalene triangle which we made out of our eyeliner. I'm sure you're going to get shocked by the end of this tutorial, by the end of this video. So filling it up with the same eyeliner, of course, and if you want it to be more creative, you can use any color, any desired color eyeshadows. You can, but I love eyeliners. I love eyeliners, so I will keep it a bit minimalist. So you can see there are some irregularities because I'm doing it in front of camera, so I'm just correcting it a bit. And now my eyes are ready. It gives such a sexy look, and you girls definitely can try. Please wait for some time.